All right, welcome. I am a highest artist. You might not know who I am, but years ago I started the opals in the grills. Okay, in this course, you're gonna learn how to make gold teeth. Not only are you gonna learn how to make gold teeth, but you're gonna learn how to make rings. I have so many different rings that I teach you how to make. Okay, this is not just a class on making gold teeth. In this class, I teach you how to become a jeweler. Okay. Now, we have over 57 lessons online. I do continue to upload lessons. Okay. I teach you how to make grills from start to finish. I teach you opal setting. I teach you stone setting. I teach you how to make rings. I also teach you scam training. Okay. Because once you start in this field, you're going to get some people in your inbox, and some of them people you have to be careful with because the scammers will come. And I teach you also how to ship your packages. I teach you how to boost up your business. We brand you, and we do not brand ourselves. We brand you. Okay, so what does that mean? Right, we have different levels for you to join. Okay, and if you're watching this video right now, we have a discount code for you if you want to join our cheapest level. Okay, and what is our cheapest level to join? We have a $30 monthly subscription. You can now get it for $20. Okay, you get access to over 57 lessons. And don't worry about, most people say, well, how much does the equipment cost? Let me show you the equipment that you would need if you decide to wholesale with us. As you can see, this is my setup. Okay, when wholesaling with us, we give you the frame of the grill. This is the frame. We teach you opal setting. This is the opal. These are diamond dust, diamond cuts. This is part of the frame. This is a frame. This doesn't require any opals or stones, but when you do get a grill from us, okay, this is the frame. Now we teach you how to bezel set a stone on there. We teach you how to opal set these stones on there, okay? So we take the hard part out because you will have to have a furnace if you want to do the grills on your own. But when it comes to making the grills, we teach you how to use the torch, okay? We teach you how to use different products that you need for, making your grills look phenomenal, okay? How to polish the grills. I teach you the magnetic training. I also teach you different ways of waxing, okay? When signing up, we also give you different forms. We give you different forms to ship inside your customers' packages that you don't have to worry about, okay, what is this customer wanting? What is this customer needing? You will be organized. For tax purposes, this book you can find on Amazon. If you type in a highest artist on Amazon, you will be able to keep track of your customers' orders, okay? Let me just show you just real quick. This is an empty sheet. So you'll be able to put the design there, everything about your customer, if you shipped, and the price, what kind of customer you had. So this is a really nice thick size book. Your business, we set you up for success. Now, every Monday, we have a Zoom meeting, okay? It's open to the public. This Zoom meeting, it goes over catalog training. This is for the wholesalers that chose the $100 monthly membership and up, okay? Let's go and talk about how you can join, okay? Grillclasses.com. We have videos on there for you to watch. Please watch the videos. Watch all the videos. Some are just live training. These are not the actual classes. The actual classes, I really took my time and gave you step by step. This is just something for you to know and keep up to date. Every time we do a Zoom meeting now, we're posting it on our website, okay? And you can see it. It says watch training. Now let's talk about the levels that you can join, okay? Right now, if you're watching this video, you can get a discount. You can join for $20 a month, okay? And the discount code is Dream Big, okay? You can always upgrade when you want to. But let's talk about if you join the $20 subscription, what you can get. Grillclasses.com. we have videos on there for you to watch. Okay, right now, if you're watching this video, you can get a discount. You can join for $20 a month. Okay, and the discount code is Dream Big. Okay, you can always upgrade when you want to. But let's talk about if you join the $20 subscription, what you can get. You can only bring 5 orders into us, okay, per month, okay? You get a price list, okay? You get a design your grill chart. You get some forms that you need for your business. We customize your business. All of us use the same price list, so there's no competition, okay? We are a big family. You're also able to join us on Facebook. We do have a Facebook group, and you can also ask any questions on our Monday night Zoom. Okay, and that is for the $30 membership. But if you're watching this video, you can now come on board for $20. Okay, now the next subscription is our $50 subscription. Okay, what this gets you is a digital catalog. Okay, this catalog has over 30 pages of amazing grills that I've done. Okay, and we want you to be able to go out there and make a sale. So we customize your business, your brand, your name, your pictures to the catalog. Okay, this is your work, and we customize you so that you can bring in the dough. Okay, you can bring 15 customers with the $50 a month plan. Okay, 15 customers, and you get the price per gold at $45 per tooth. I forgot to tell you the price per gold for the $30 per tooth, but it's $48 per tooth, and it only applies to 10K. I know you're probably wondering, what in the hell is she talking about? What is going on? Trust me, you will have a better understanding once you join, okay? Once you join, we have step by step by step by step so that you know what to do, okay? We are very organized, but these are the levels you can join. Our next level is our $100 a month membership, okay? This membership gets your price per gold at $39, 10K per tooth, okay? And you can bring in unlimited orders. Unlimited orders for $100 a month. You get a physical catalog, not a digital catalog. The $50 gets you a digital catalog. This package gets you a physical catalog for you to show to your family, to your friends. When you're out there at the grocery store, someone says, hey, what do? You open up your catalog and there's a sale inside, right? And we do a monthly coaching training on the 13th of every month at 6 o'clock p.m. So if you are a $100 member, put on your schedule the 13th of the month, okay? You want to come over and learn some amazing things, learn how you can strategize, learn how you can make better sales, then come to our coaching on the 13th at 6 o'clock p.m. every single month, okay? Our next level, we've been selling out, okay? I don't know if it's open right now. I don't know if it's closed right now, but it's our $500 package. It is monthly. And what this involves is, okay, we give you 15 customers out of our inbox. And trust me, we have them. And we coach you how to close a sale. We give you certain templates on how to respond to the customer, okay? These are the same exact way I get my sales, okay? We teach you how to close the sales because, first of all, they're looking to get a grill from me, okay? I'm overbooked, okay? So we're able to give some customers to you. This depends on what you want to do for your business, okay? If you want to come in kicking down the door, taking your classes and getting customers, then you can do that with us. There's no business out there that's going to give you customers. Everybody's selfish. They do not want to share the pie with you, okay? But we at Jacob's Jewels Empire will help you. If you have the budget to spend, we have the knowledge in the customers to give to you, okay? Now, with this package, you also get your price per gold at $39 per tooth, okay? And we have a coaching every single month on the 15th of the month for the $500 members. the 15th of the month at 6 o'clock. Okay. Our next level is a one-time payment. Okay. Now listen to this. My class used to cost $5,000. Okay. And we did not offer this. Okay. Now, this $1,500 one-time payment will get you 50 to 200 customers, price per gold, 10K at $39 per tooth for 1 month. Say, for instance, you got 200 customers and you close 50 sales, okay? And that's a lot of money because the average customer spends $1,000 on a grill, okay? We're dealing with gold, real gold. An average customer spends $1,000 on a grill. So say you close 50 sales, okay? And you want to continue. If you want to purchase the package again, you can. Or if you want to downgrade, because if you want to downgrade, then you can. In order to wholesale from us, you have to be in one of the packages. So say, for instance, you did the $1,500 and you got over $50,000 that month. I'm just giving you an example, okay? Next, you can say, okay, let's just do the $100 or the $500 membership. That way you can continue to get in wholesale with us, okay? This offer may end soon. Prices are subject to change. Right now, you're watching this video. Once you go to grillclasses.com, the original prices will be there, okay? And if you have any questions on anything, let me know. You can always text this number, and you can also email me, okay? So once you sign up, please email us so that we can log you in manually. Have a beautiful and blessed day.